plea from the state health department. Hoosiers are now strongly encouraged to wear masks regardless of age or vaccination status.
Now, this follows the CDC recommendation from earlier this week. News 8 Sierra Hignite joins us now with the latest updates. Sierra, so much back and forth happening.
Yes, it absolutely is. And so that recommendation from the CDC is that everyone unpack their masks and start wearing them again. And that comes as positivity rates in Indiana, as well as hospitalizations are on the rise due to the Delta variant. The latest data from the State Department of Health shows our positivity rate is 6.8%. That's 0.2% higher than what it was this time last year, and a significant increase from the just over 2% that the state saw in late June. The Delta variant is much more contagious, which is why Dr. Box says even those who are vaccinated are included in the latest mask recommendations. While those deaths do remain low, Indiana had 8,000 people hospitalized in the last month, which is an increase from the recent trend, but still far below the peak that we saw in January. Because less than 50% of the state is currently vaccinated, the health department says they are strongly urging Hoosiers to follow the latest CDC guidelines for those 2 and older to wear a mask regardless of vaccination. They are especially pushing this in places like schools and long-term care facilities. However, rather than making the latest recommendations mandatory, Dr. Box says they're leaving that decision up to local officials to decide on a mandate.
Until we increase our vaccination rates, and unless we use every tool available to us to stop the spread of disease, this virus will continue to have the advantage. It will continue to mutate, and we will be constantly playing whack-a-mole for the foreseeable future.
I want to stress that breakthrough infections for vaccinated people are still very low and tend to be mild. But we are finding that they are more likely with the Delta variant than they are with any of the other strains that we have seen.
Breakthrough cases account for 0.126% of those who are fully vaccinated. With these new developments, health officials are recommending that even if you are vaccinated, if you come into close contact with someone who tests positive, that you should get tested, especially if you start showing symptoms, and wear a mask until you receive your negative results or are symptom free. Reporting, I'm Sierra Ignite, Wish TV, wishtv.com, and follow us on Facebook.
Thank you, Sierra.